Hey Steph, nice moves.
Thanks, Jatin. Nice grooves.
You know what would really liven this party up?
What?
If I can get my domain verified on Google Cloud and start using it.
You must be really fond of parties. I heard if you're new to Google and not a G Suite user, you can use Cloud Identity to sign up for free, and it's really simple.
You heard right. Let's go into a demo and I'll teach you the moves. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're not a G Suite user, you can start the Cloud Identity process and begin with a free Gmail account and head to console.cloud.google.com. Cloud Identity is included for G Suite users. Here I am using my Gmail account for this demo and I've created a new project. Now head to IAM and select Identity. This will enable you to kick off the Cloud Identity process. Click Sign Up and Next. First, add your company name and number of employees. Next, choose the location of your business. Add the current email here. Since I'm using my personal account, I'll add that here, but you can also use your work email address. Add your business domain name, and then add your name finally. You can now add your current work email address that uses this domain and that you're registering with Cloud Identity and create your password. Check the box that you're not a robot if you indeed are a person. Wait for it to create your Cloud Identity account. Once it does that, it will kick off the domain verification process and it will give you each step to walk you through the domain verification process. And you can go back to this page and you can check the box once you've finished the step. Now the first step is to log into your domain host site. I'm using Google Domains to host my domain, gcloudtest.com. Once I open that, I can check that box as I've finished that first step. Next, go to your control panel on the domain host site. For me, it's under the DNS settings. Go back and check the box that you've done that. Now you get a TXT record that you can copy and add to your DNS settings. So go ahead and copy that. And then scroll down to custom resource records. Choose the type as TXT, leave the name as @ and cache time to live as an hour. And here I paste the record and add it. And you'll see the verification message at the top pop up. Now I've saved the TXT record and now I'll click Verify Domain. This begins the process of Google checking the TXT record in the DNS. The TXT record is a simple text note and it won't affect your email or website. If you can't add TXT records, you can add a CNAME record instead. This may take up to 5 minutes, and if it does not work the first time, you can try again after 15 minutes or so that the TXT record has had enough time to save and propagate. Now for the rest of it, we have Steph.
So now that we have the domain verification done, I can now add another company user to my Cloud Identity domain at Google. So here I'm adding Jatin as my additional user, and it's going to send him an email to his work email address or his personal email so that he can log in for the first time. So now I can actually go ahead and log into GCP using my company email, swangrat@gcloudtest.com, moving forward. So I'm going to actually go ahead and accept the new terms of service, and here you can see that I've logged in using my officially verified domain. So the first thing that I can do is actually change the org node resource to gcloudtest.com, and this is going to be the top of my resource hierarchy in GCP. And now I can go ahead and show you how to do some basic GCP IAM. Being the Cloud Identity Super Admin, I can now add GCP org policy admins. Having two distinct roles ensures separation of duties between the Cloud Identity Super Admin, who manages users, account recovery, or password resets, and the GCP org policy admin, who manages GCP resources and IAM roles. You can see here the domain, gcloudtest.com, is the billing account admin and the project owner by default, meaning when you add someone to Google Cloud's identity under gcloudtest.com, they actually inherit the project owner role by default. So you might want to change that moving forward. So for now, I'm going to add myself as the first GCP org policy admin under the entire gcloudtest.com org node. So I'll give myself the org policy administrator role. Now that I've done that, I can go ahead and create a brand new project, and I will be the project owner of it. So I can just click the org at the top, click the plus sign, and create my project after giving it a name. And next, I can go ahead and add Jatin as an editor to the project so he can edit project resources. We can now start beginning to use gcloudtest.com on GCP as our newly verified domain. Nice going, Jatin. I think you really lit up the dance floor with that one.
If you want to join the real dance party in the Google Cloud, check out the link below.
And if you liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe below as well.